Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the first video in the start of a new playlist. Something that I haven't got into, but there's a lot of other people out there that are massively into this. Now, that's Hot Wheels cars. So I'm going to be starting up some treadmill racing and just see how it goes. Something a little bit different. Hopefully, if I can get enough four-wheel drives, I'm going to be sticking to the four-wheel driving sort of theme. If not, well, we'll see some other cars mixed in with the four-wheel drives. But we're going to hopefully get into some on-location Hot Wheels racing. Now, let's have a look. I've purchased some Hot Wheels. Never really purchased any Hot Wheels before in my life. So, let's have a look here. The first car, Range Rover Classic. Now, I just purchased the Range Rover Classic. Now, I've got my safety scissors here. Now, I want to store them back in the packets. I don't know if that's a thing that people do, but I'm going to do that. So I'm going to carefully cut the back off. Let's get into this and have a look at it. So out it comes. My Range Rover, what is it? Range Rover Classic. First little car off the rank for my new Hot Wheels racing. So there's that one. Range Rover Classic. Let's see what comes out of the box next. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. We have a 95 Jeep Cherokee. 95 Jeep Cherokee. Once again, I'm going to open it carefully. There we go. Open my little door at the back. Out comes the 95 Jeep Cherokee. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, let's see what we have next. We have a GMC Hummer EV. Looking at going electric around the world, so why not? Let's open it up. Opening it up and see how it looks inside. Oh, look at that. First electric Hot Wheels Hummer for my collection. 3. How many are we going to do today? Let's see. I've got a few more coming. I've got some really exciting ones coming. They're probably more exciting for me than you, but hey, that gives you a little hint. Check out some of my other videos and you may see what I've got coming. Apparently it was a bit of a collectible. I had to do a special order and it cost me a whole lot more than it would. I got a few of them a few different ones coming. Keep an eye out for those. So next off the rank, we have a Volkswagen Baja Bug. Now, as I said, a bit of a four-wheel driving theme happening here, and we're going to be racing these on the treadmill. I have 2 treadmills, and we'll see how they go. Opening up the Volkswagen Baja Bug in a stunning blue colour. Look at that. Look at that Baja Bug. That's pretty cool. Okay, now we're going to throw something a little bit left field off the ranks here, and we're going to pull out this one. It is a 2020 Jaguar F-Type. Now there is a limit as to what I can find. As I said, I've got some other cool ones coming. We'll be doing a few videos on opening these and building up my collection. And so I want to do 6 for the first race, and I have 6 here. So out comes the 2020 Jaguar S-Type. Dun, dun, dun. My little collection here. Hope you can see that in the camera. It's probably a little bit far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more. What's going to come out? Are we going to have a sedan type car, sports car, or another four-wheel drive? Let's see. Dun, 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 dun. And it is a Porsche 935. That's 6 cars for this video. That's what I have. Look out for more coming. As I said, I have some special ones coming on order. Not from order from Hot Wheels. I found them and purchased them from other collectors. Out comes our Porsche 935. There you have it. Selection of Hot Wheels cars for today. Keep an eye out for the racing coming up soon. Guys, hope you've enjoyed my video. Keep watching my videos. Make sure you give me that thumbs up. Make sure you share my videos. It means a lot to me. Keep an eye out for what else comes into my Hot Wheels collection. See you around on YouTube, guys.